Let's learn about homographs. Homographs are spelled the same but differ in meaning or pronunciation. Homophones are words that sound the same but are different in meaning or spelling. And homonyms can be one of those or even both. Isn't English fun? I've done a video on homophones and on homonyms, so make sure you check out those videos. Let's look at homographs with different pronunciations. Attribute, attribute. Attribute, attribute. Attribute, attribute. He attributes his success to the company's managing director. Practicing every day, doing your homework, and trying your best are the key attributes of a good student. Bass, bass. Bass, bass. Bass, bass. He caught a bass. He sings bass in the choir. Bow, bow. Bow, bow. Bow, bow. I have arrows, but not a bow. It was difficult to bow every day. Close, close. Close, close, close. Close, close. I live close to school. Please close the door. Console, console. Console, console. Console, console. She had to console her son after he fell off his bike. I bought a new console. Content, content. Content, content. Content. Content, content. He seems more content with his new job. You need to work on the content page. Lead, led. Lead, lead. Led, led. The dog will lead the way. There's a piece of lead in my thumb. Minute, minute. Minute, minute. Minute, minute. There is a minute problem with the sink. It will only take a minute to fix. Object, object. Object, object. Object, object. There is a foreign object in the pipe. He had to object to being responsible. Present, present. Present, present. Present, present. I bought him a present. Now let me present Mr. Smith, our guest speaker. Produce, produce. Produce, produce. Produce, produce, produce. The factory can produce 5 different styles. You'll find the fruits and vegetables in the produce section. Subject, subject. Subject, subject. Subject, subject. What's your favorite subject in school? These rules are subject to change. Tear, tear. Tear, tear. Tear, tear. Can you tear that into two pieces? Did you see the tear on her cheek? Wind, wind. Wind, wind. Wind, wind. The wind blew the chair over. You don't have to wind your watch. Wound, wound. Wound, wound, wound. Wound, wound. Do you need stitches for that wound? I wound the grandfather clock today. Attribute, attribute. Attribute, attribute. Bass, bass. Bass, bass. Bow, bow. Bow, bow. Close, close. Close, close. Console, console. Console, console. Content, content. Content, content. Lead, led. Lead, led. Minute, minute. Minute, minute. Present, present. Present, present. Produce, produce. Produce, produce. Subject, subject. Subject, subject. Tear, tear. Tear, tear. Wind, wind. Wind, wind. Wound, wound. Wound, wound. Now let's look at some homographs with the same pronunciation. Blue, blue. I'm feeling blue because I can't buy this blue coat. Can, can. Can you buy a can of dog food? Crane, crane. The crane stood near the crane. Fair, fair. The cost of going to the fair was fair. Lean, lean. I'll lean on my car and eat a lean hamburger. May, may. I may go to Michigan in May. Miss, miss. Did you miss something in this report? I miss having a proofreader. Novel, novel. Writing a novel about your life is a novel idea. Park, park. I had to park the car before going into the park. Pen, pen. She used a pen to write the names of the animals on their pen. Saw, saw. I saw him using his saw yesterday. Skip, skip. My daughter will skip classes to participate in the skip rope contest. Train, train. He will take a train in order to train for the position. Watch, watch. Where's my watch? I want to watch that movie. And then there's bat, bat, which is also a homonym. Well, my students, we've almost come full circle, but there's one more. Heteronyms. I'll be doing a live premiere on them to answer your questions on Monday the 27th at 3 p.m. That's Central European Time. And in the meantime, you should watch these videos. Thanks for watching, and remember, please keep practicing.